Hey, DIYers, and welcome back to DIY Hookup. Today I'm sharing with you another Dollar Tree Farmhouse Decor haul. So one of the first items I picked up was these really cute tin pig canisters. So they're just really cute. One is a gold one and one is like a rose gold. And I went ahead and spray painted them with this matte black, and I think they look really cute like that. So I found a bunch of Farmhouse pictures, and I'm just going to go over each one I found. So here's one of the first ones I found. It says farm fresh, grown with love. Then there's this Rooster one that just says good morning, and it has like that rustic background. This was one of my favorites in this like old truck, and it just says the farm fresh with the vegetables in the back. And of course I'm going to be just using these pictures. I'm going to make some really cool frames with them. So here's another one, farmers market, fresh pick daily, locally grown. Another's farmers market, fresh produce, farm to table. And then I found this really cute one. It just says love is in the air, and a picture of like a mason jar. So I'm also going to share with you guys one of my last Dollar Tree Farmhouse Decor videos. You can check that out, and what DIYs I did with those pictures. I also have some more pictures, DIY from those Farmhouse pictures coming up very soon as well. So here's another one, Farmhouse Kitchen. And then I found this really cool picture of this rooster or chicken. I think it's a rooster. It's just very colorful and really pretty. This one here, market fresh produce with just like that worn wood background look. Also this pantry one. So I grabbed one of every one that I found because, you know, once these come out, they'll be gone before you know it. And one of the last pictures I found was this really cute pig. And it's just very colorful, just like that rooster one. So I will be DIYing some cool frames for these, so be sure to hit that notification button so when I upload, you guys will be notified as soon as I put out a new video. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys really soon in the next video. And if you're new, please hit that subscribe button.